Weird Newscasters. This is a game for all 4 contestants, but it starts really with Brad. He's trying to present the news, but is hampered by his co-presenters. Colin is the co-anchor sitting next to him, and unfortunately he's going through a car wash without his car at the same time. Now, Wayne, you're the sports presenter, but you're a Chippendale going through your dance number while doing it. And Ryan, you're doing the weather, but you're also a character from a war movie who gets shot and takes forever to die.
No. Check your card. That can't be right.
No, that's what you are. So, Brad, start the news when the music starts.
Good evening. Welcome to the 7 o'clock news. I'm your anchor, Willie Lovepost. Today, in stocks went up, down, and then sideways. Quite a frenzy on Wall Street today. And now let's go over to Chutney Love Biscuit. Chutney. And that's the local news. Now let's see what's happening at the sports desk. Harry Torso.
Today, the 49ers have won another championship. They play great football. And speaking of footballs, are you ready? Oh, yeah, ladies. Woo! The Broncos are running. Today in tennis news. Touchdown. That's all.
Thank you, Harry. Further proof that football is just a game of inches. And now, over to the weather desk.
Thank you.
Spank me.
We've got clouds coming in tonight. There'll be no visibility out there at all tonight. Good time for Jerry to make his move. We don't know what... Tomorrow, there'll be fog moving in. I'm not responsible for that. Tell Susie I Tell Susie I love her. Tell her I'm a goner, but I thought about her all the way as those clouds were coming in. I hope it's sunny on the weekend. I never had a chance to tell my father. I never had a chance to tell my father I loved him. I love you, Dad. I always have. I just never said it. Watch for thunderstorms on the...
Is he done? Well, that's all the time we have here on the news. And just remember, Bill Clinton likes boxer shorts.
Okay, very good. Well, that was like 30 years of 60 minutes. Or is it 60 minutes of 30 years?